And so now that you understand what that looks like and what that is, both physically, mentally, emotionally, and energetically, we're going to shift that awareness into action. Susan.
Okay. So we just have various exercises that we're going to be walking you through. And they help calm your nervous system, clear your energetic chunks and blocks that might be running your body, and just really help you return to that more natural healing state. And what's funny is it doesn't really matter if you've been stuck in this stressful state for days, years. It really kind of doesn't matter. Your body knows that it wants to heal and it knows how to heal. And so these techniques really just kind of help the body remember its healing, healthy,
Mhm.
strong state. And so we are just helping, kind of clear those chunks, those dense pieces, and be able to return the body to its natural state of ease and flow. Um, as we go through here, we're just kind of overall, these are going to help activate your parasympathetic nervous system. We have our rest and relax state. This is the relaxed state, and so it's taking it from that fight or flight into that rest and relax, and that's again gets you that ease and flow of all parts of your body and your mind. And so these exercises, some of it's with touch, how you'll be touching, how you'll be breathing, the words you'll be saying really help regulate and let that body, your body and the autonomic nervous system be in its proper healthy state. It's going to help release oxytocin, which lowers the cortisol levels, and it helps kind of build resistance, which is not just a relief, but it helps you rewire how you relate to pain and difficulty over time. So, okay, let's start with our first one. So these are getting fairly simple, short ones compared to some of the other things that we've been doing. Just really a bunch of just truly shifting techniques that will help you.